On today's adventure, we went to Sydney Tramway Museum. If you're looking for something really cool to do, I highly suggest it. Let's go check it out.
Dad, the train's there!
Oh my goodness!
The train was off.
Is it fun? You on the tram? On a train? Sydney Tram Museum is located in Sutherland, just off the Princess Highway. When you arrive, get your ticket from the conductor and jump on board one of their many operational trams and take a ride along the 4-kilometre track towards Sutherland and the Royal National Park. They're putting the signs up telling us that we're about to cross the road. Trams operate on all open days. The first tram leaves at 10:15 a.m, then hourly. Wednesday, the last trip leaves at 2:30 p.m, and Sundays 4:30 p.m. Between these trips, there are shorter rides to Sutherland. The museum has been operating for over 25 years, thanks to the wonderful volunteers who run it all.
Look at this little train. Little tram stop. Here, go stand up here and wait for the tram. Go up there with Coda. Where the ducklings live.
Let's go!
What are you being, a train?
Yeah.
Chugga 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 choo choo.
That's why we go to live. For ducks.
Huh?
House for ducks.
It's not a house for ducks. Mum. Once you have ridden the tram, take the time to check out the display hall full of some of the unique trams, including the oldest operating electric tram in Australia, dating back to 1896.
Not the train museum.
Yes, it is.
But it has trains.
What is it?
Yeah.
That's a tram that's caught a light. And look, this is Sydney. This is all Sydney.
That actually been fly down.
It has.
Why?
I don't know. It was the eastern suburbs line.
Was it from here?
Maybe we can find it. Let's go have a look inside. This is Sydney's C class. Yep.
Where did everyone used to sit? It's a different looking tram, isn't it?
Open hours for the museum are Wednesday 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. and Sundays 10 a.m. till 5 p.m.
Hey, come! Look.
It's a Sydney tram. They're all so different inside, aren't they?
Do you know what these are for, guys?
Come back.
You know what these are for?
No.
You would sit on the tram, and then when you needed to get off, you would go ding, and it would tell the tram driver time to get off. And then you would come over here and you'd wait at the door until it was your turn to get off.
Wow.
You can try, but I don't know if you can reach. You can't hang on it though. Just one little ding. Ready?
That's it.
Good job. Are you going to jail?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're on the prison tram.
But I understand.
What'd you do?
Who donated it?
Huh? Fraud? Did you rob a bank?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey Kota, are you gonna go to jail
No.
on the prison tram?
No.
No? Are you a good boy?
Yeah, because there's no more room.
There's no more room. They're all full, are they?
Let's go.
Oh, okay. Lucky you.
Oh, look, there's all cells. Go in.
Ooh, maybe we can lock you in. Do you want to be locked in one of these ones? Where all the naughty people go?
Wow. This is where all...
What?
You look inside this one. There's a man in there. Once we finished up at the museum, we had lunch at Salt, Meat, Cheese, an Italian restaurant in Cronulla. The pizzas were great, and they had gluten-free pasta. Win. And we couldn't finish the day without stopping at Naked Foods and stocking up on chocolate, of course.
You hold this one. You hold this one. And then we come up here and we pick. No, you don't want any of these ones. Come down here.
What's this?
Where's
No.
How about these?
I think what you want to look at is on this side over here.
You only get to choose one of these.
Look.
Yes, please. Daddy.
Cheers for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I need you more.